Hey, what's going on, guys? TG here, and welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, today was a lot better day in the market. Started the day off pretty well, and then it started to get bad really quickly with Apple and Amazon kind of losing their gains. Apple actually turning red at one point, same as TNA. But we had the recovery at the end of the day and ended up being up about $1,200 for the day. So pretty good. Sold another C put, made like 61 bucks on it, and we actually sold one of our Apple calls and locked in some profits. We sold one at 590, so not bad on that. But this video is all about Amazon and why I think Amazon is just gonna absolutely kill it in the game for years on end. So Amazon currently is a $1.57 trillion market cap. Pretty high. Its price per earnings 113, which is pretty not great, not bad, but when we're talking about higher PE ratios, we're talking about companies that are expecting, to do better and better each year and, more forward looking. And Amazon is definitely forward looking. They're in every single industry. They have their logistics with their own shipping. They have their cloud with AWS. They have, stores like their Whole Foods, which has just been absolutely killing it. Their e-commerce up 3 times from what it was last quarter. They're in gaming. They have Twitch. They obviously have e-commerce, probably the biggest e-commerce there is, which is Amazon store. They just have like 73 other companies, and they're all succeeding really well. And their AWS especially is just absolutely killing it, and is such a money machine for them. So Amazon has a lot of room to run. Unfortunately, I actually sold 2 shares of Amazon today, as you guys can see at 363 and 31.12. Had to clear up some margin. I was using a lot and did not want to use that much, but I mean, as you guys can see, Amazon has been a tank, up 75% this year, and well deserving. I mean, this pandemic has just showed how important Amazon is and how many people use it. And you look at their earnings, and they are absolutely kill it. We're talking just insane earnings, beating expectations by so much. And their revenue is insane as well. Like, Amazon is just going to continue to build their revenue. And it just continues to grow and grow and grow. Last year alone, 280.5 billion US dollars. And they're continuing to grow and grow and grow, and it's honestly so impressive. Like, I wish you guys could see what they do, like every single one of their businesses there, and how much each makes, because it's actually crazy how much they really make. But yeah, man, it's very impressive on what they do. It's very impressive on what they continue to do as well. And they're in so many different things. Like I said, they're so well diversified for just everything. And the more that they continue to, do their own shipping, just own the entire cloud, basically, like the cloud game. They have their food stores, their Whole Foods, which just absolutely kills it. Twitch makes so much money. If you look at, Twitch TV revenue, it's crazy. Like, it's ad revenue alone between 500 and 600 million, and then the service ended up actually hitting 100 or 1 billion. Like, it's crazy how much Twitch generates, and it's just one of their many businesses that they own. And their diversification is really, really amazing. And I recommend, if you guys haven't, pick up some Amazon shares. Amazon was as high as almost 3,600. It dipped down about 2,800, 2,880 or something. And now it's back up to 3,100. It's obviously still way off from where it was. If you look at Amazon, it's still down, decent amount for the month, and, a little bit for the week. So, and obviously has a lot of room to run. And, with UPS and FedEx's earnings being so good, I'm assuming, I could be wrong, but, a majority or a good percentage of their shipping is Amazon boxes. Most boxes that you see people deliver, they're usually from Amazon. It's kind of crazy. Like, I'll look at my neighborhood, and you'll just see so many Amazon boxes everywhere whenever the UPS or the FedEx guy comes, and, they're usually dropping off Amazon boxes. So, they got a lot in store. They got Prime Day coming up. They just got a lot in store, and they're just going to continue to grow and grow and grow. And they do stock buybacks, and it's just a lot. And also, the most anticipated is, when is Amazon going to do a split? And when they split, they are going to fly. Because some people want to own Amazon, but it's just so expensive at one share, you know? They do like a 25 for 1 split or something. Oh my gosh, like, I'm going to be hopping in on that. I'm going to get at least 100 shares of Amazon and hold those forever. But yeah, man, I'm really bullish on Amazon. I think it's one of the best companies in the world, and I feel like it's going to continue to grow and grow and grow, and be that titan of the tech industry, just because it's so well diversified. And I'm excited to see where it goes. I'm excited to see how much this company can run and how much it can develop over these next couple of years. And I'm still waiting for that stock split to happen, and we're going to see what happens from there. But I'm going to hold these shares for a while. I want to actually add more if it does dip. But as of right now, having about 13K worth of Amazon isn't too bad, because we do have a ton of Apple as well. We got about 30-something thousand. Yeah, 33K worth of Apple. So, we're pretty diversified between the two. So, that's really about it. I just wanted to talk to you guys about Amazon. And if you haven't already, definitely get into Amazon. I see a lot of YouTubers preaching these EV companies and stuff like that. And you got to be careful. Some of these companies are, in my opinion, very overvalued. Nothing in production, nothing in sight. And, then they have big crashes like this, and your calls get just absolutely obliterated. Not to say that this company's bad or anything. Obviously, look how much it's up. Like, it's obviously, if you would have got in initially, you would have been up huge. But just be careful where you're putting your money. Like, make sure, if you are going to put it some in, put a small percentage in some of these spec companies that don't have any, like, revenue yet or any earnings or anything like that. So just be careful. Stick to quality. Obviously, it's good to take some risks and put some of your money and portfolio into those type of companies. But as of right now, I'd be careful, just because there's a lot of them. There's a lot of competition, and as you guys can see with Nikola, bad things can happen really quickly with some of those type of companies. But yeah, guys, that's just really about all that I gotta say about Amazon. I think it's an amazing company. 10 out of 10. Definitely think you should buy. Even if you're on Robinhood, get some fractional shares if you don't have enough to buy a whole share. And maybe even get a Leaps call as well for like a year down the road for 4,000 strike price, and see what happens. I definitely will be next big crash, or hopefully there won't be a big crash, but if there's a little downturn, then I'll pick up some shares or pick up some Leaps calls. But anyways, guys, that's about all there is in this video. Just an informative video on Amazon, and what I think about it. And I definitely think it's going to continue to grow, and it's got great year-over-year growth as well, and the expectations are that it will grow as well. So anyways, guys, I think that's all I have to say about Amazon. I think the company speaks for itself, and the numbers definitely speak for themselves. And I definitely think you should get involved in it and get invested into it, because it's a once-in-a-lifetime company that does just extraordinary things. So anyways, guys, hope you're having a great day, and I will talk to you in the next video. Take it easy. Bye-bye.